Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's December 10th, 2020, and I've got a couple of special guests with me in the studio today to tell you about our dress-up days next week. But before we start that, let's go ahead and stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can go ahead and have a seat. And I want to introduce Bethany and Peyton to tell us about our spirit days and our dress-up days next week.
Good morning, Achieve. I'm Peyton.
And I'm Bethany.
We're both 8th graders here at Achieve.
And there's an exciting thing planned for next week, and we'll tell you about it.
We're going to be doing a Spirit Week on December 14th to 18th. If you're not participating in the Spirit Week, please wear a school uniform. Remember to stay in the dress code because you are still at school. And remember to have fun. Don't be afraid to go all out.
Monday the 14th is Spirit of the Season. Wear red, white, and green, or any of your favorite Christmas colors.
On Tuesday, we'll be doing Staff Day. You can dress as any staff member you would like. You could be an aide, teacher, or even Mr. Right.
On Wednesday, it'll be Christmas Characters Day. Dress as your favorite Christmas character. Here are some examples.
On Thursday, we'll be doing Deck the Halls. This is where you can go all out and be crazy. You can just wear whatever piece of clothing that is Christmas related that you would like.
On Friday, to end off our amazing Spirit Week, we will have Pajama Day. Wear your most festive and comfy, yet it still has to be school appropriate Christmas pajamas.
Have a great day. We're excited to see your costumes.
Bye.
Thanks, Bethany and Peyton. That was great. I can't wait to see you guys dressed up. Look what I've got here. My costume for every single day next week. I think this could fit with almost every single one. Maybe I can get more creative. Hey, if you notice, it's kind of getting dark outside. I was just getting ready to do morning assembly for tomorrow before I leave. And Mrs. Taylor walked out of her office and she said something, and I was like, oh my goodness, you need to come join me for morning assembly, because that is so interesting. That goes exactly with what we've been talking about with academic tenacity. You guys have been working on some incredibly hard goals, and you're not giving up. You're working hard. The snowman competition's going great so far. Maybe a tiny hiccup that you'll hear about. It's not really a hiccup. It's something about 6th grade. I've seen your snowman 6th grade. Anyways, I wanted to have Mrs. Taylor come on, so I'm going to transition now and have a little chat with Mrs. Taylor about academic tenacity. Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it is Thursday, December 10th. Good morning. Actually, look, Mrs. Taylor and I are still on Wildcat Wednesday, and it's getting dark outside. It's time for us to go home. But I was getting ready to make our morning assembly for tomorrow, and we're talking about academic tenacity and how we just have to keep pushing and pushing and pushing. And Mrs. Taylor is here, and it's late, and we're ready to go home, and she goes, I'm tired, I gotta go. So I got some questions for you. Okay, first of all, why are you tired?
That's a nice question. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Wright. I'm probably tired for the same reason that you're tired, because we're working a lot, boys and girls. It takes a lot of brain power and a lot of thinking to keep school running in a different kind of way that we've never done before. So every day we're thinking and solving new problems and trying to make school work the best that it can. And it's tiring.
Yeah. So my question with academic tenacity, you're tired, you're ready to go home, it's dinner time. What are you going to do tomorrow morning?
Well, right now I'm already thinking about how I can't wait for tomorrow morning, because I'll feel refreshed, my brain will be ready to think again, and I'll be ready to tackle new problems.
Nice. You guys have been doing that so well the last 2 weeks. You've been pushing incredibly hard. Mrs. Taylor knows about it. Everybody knows about it. Everyone knows how many PFAs that you guys have been passing. A ton. Your snowmen look amazing. I was thinking about showing them this morning, except for I've got some real big questions for 6th grade. I think I need to come talk to you because something's happening in the background of your snowman. I don't know what's going on there. I got to come talk to you 6th grade before your snowman might have to go in timeout. Anyways, Mrs. Taylor and I are super proud of you guys and the hard work that you're doing. We see the academic tenacity every day. We know that you're probably tired too. Keep on going. We got a few more days of this competition. Push hard. You guys can do it. Any more words of encouragement?
Well, I'm just proud of you, all of you students. Just think about Christmas break. It's right around the corner. You're going to get 2 weeks off. Earn it.
Have a good day, Chief. Now.